It's Jeff with Homework. Hey, I'm going to show you a closet I did in my guest suite. Just finished my basement and I used all the Container Store stuff. It's on sale right now, actually in August of 2022. But I'll show you how big it is. So this closet is about 6 by 10 and we put all the drawer units in here. I just want to show you those. Aren't these awesome? And we put all the shelves up here. I've got about 18 lineal feet of shelf. I've got tons of closet space. And I'll do a kind of a quick turnaround. You'll see everything. And cool things like these valet rods that come out for your clothes, all that. So something to think about. It's this is the ELFA line from Container Store. I'll have a link below, but they have sales twice a year, 20% off, 25% off. And then if you get their charge card, you can get like your own special sale day. But it's really awesome because now I don't need to put furniture in that room, or I can put less furniture because I've got so many drawers here. And we put deep drawers here. I've got 8 of them here. And some other closets I did in the house, I put 10 or 12 drawers, tons of space. There's rotating things, all kinds of cool stuff. So again, the ELFA line at Container Store, pretty cool. Give it a try. Thanks, bye. Please subscribe, bye.